Unbelievable. You believe in it all. What a goal. Lovart AI does it again.
Okay, everyone. Today I'm going to show you an incredible AI tool that can generate an entire brand with just one click. I'm talking about your complete brand identity, visual direction, AI agent workflow, batch generation, canvas flow, text editing, image generation, and even video generation. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into today's video. Before we begin, let me show you a YouTube example. Right now, football content is becoming extremely popular, especially because football-related events are attracting millions of viewers worldwide. Many football-themed YouTube channels are growing very quickly, gaining hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of monthly views. But today, I'm going to show you how you can generate an entire football brand using Lovart AI. Now let's open the Lovart website. Lovart is an all-in-one AI creative platform. Instead of switching between multiple websites for different tasks, everything is available inside one workspace. You can generate high-quality AI images, create AI videos, build complete brand identities, design professional logos, produce marketing assets, create e-commerce visuals, edit images, edit text, and much more. For today's demonstration, I've already prepared a sample brand called Lovart AI. Now let's begin the actual workflow step by step. Our first step is to define the brand identity. First, click on the Skills option, the book icon, then select Logo and Branding. I've already prepared my branding prompt, including my brand name Lovart, target audience, brand tone, colors, and overall identity. I'll simply paste that prompt here and click Generate. As you can see, it's now processing the request. One thing I really like about the Skills feature is that with just one click, it creates a complete brand identity. After a short wait, you'll get multiple professionally designed branding boards containing your logo direction, color palette, typography, target audience, brand personality, social media style, and much more. I'll simply choose my favorite designs and save them. And there we go. The results are ready. It has generated a complete visual identity for Lovart, including the logo style, brand colors, typography suggestions, audience details, and even a social media branding kit. So our Step 1, Define Brand Identity, is complete. Step 2, Logo and Font Generation. Now let's move on to the second step. I'll go back to the Skills section once again, and this time select Logo Design. I've already described exactly what kind of logo I want. A premium, modern logo with luxury colors and a clean, professional style. Now I'll click Generate. The AI has started designing the logo. After waiting a few moments, look at this. The logo is now ready. Honestly, it looks amazing. It even comes with a transparent background, making it easy to download as a PNG and use anywhere. I'll save both the brand identity and the logo because we'll need them in the next step. Now for the font generation. I've already written a style description explaining that I want a premium luxury font that matches the Lovart branding. I'll simply click Generate. Within a minute, the custom font is ready. Now I can type any text using this font and instantly match it with my logo. So now we've successfully completed brand identity, logo generation, font generation. Step 3. Build your brand kit and export assets. Okay, viewers, now we've completed two very important steps. First, we defined our complete brand identity. Then we generated a premium logo along with a custom font that perfectly matches our brand. Now it's time to bring everything together by creating a brand kit. First of all, I'll go back to the home page. On the left side, you'll find an option called Brand Kit or My Brand Kit. Go ahead and click on it. If you're opening it for the first time, you'll see a button that says Create Brand Kit or Get Started. I'll click on that. Now the AI is asking me to upload all of my branding assets. Since we've already created everything in the previous steps, this process becomes super easy. The first thing I'll upload is my brand identity document. This helps the AI understand the complete visual direction of my brand. Next, I'll upload the logo that we generated a few moments ago. Because the logo already has a transparent background, it works perfectly for branding. After that, I'll upload my custom font. Now the AI understands exactly which typography should be used across future designs. Depending on your project, you can also upload additional assets such as your brand colors, icons, illustrations, or any reference images you'd like the AI to follow. The more information you provide here, the more consistent your future designs will be. Now everything has been uploaded successfully. The next step is naming the brand kit. I'll simply name it Goalverse because that's the name of my brand. Giving your brand kit a proper name is important, especially if you're managing multiple businesses or working with different clients. This makes it much easier to organize everything later. Now everything looks perfect. I'll simply click on Create Project with this kit. After waiting just a few moments, you can see that my complete brand kit has been generated successfully. Everything is now ready in one place, including the brand tagline, descriptions, color palette, typography, image style, and overall brand guidelines. It also explains what you can create with this brand kit, such as images, posters, social media content, and other branded assets. Step 4. Batch Generate Marketing Assets. Now it's time to generate multiple marketing assets with one click. I'll ask the AI to create around 8 to 10 consistent assets for my brand, including Instagram posts, Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover, website banner, mobile app banner, promotional poster, marketing creative, social media ads, additional brand graphics. I'll simply click Generate. After a short wait, look at these results. The AI has created multiple professional marketing designs that all follow the same branding style. Even better, it automatically selected the correct aspect ratio for every platform, including Instagram posts, stories, Facebook covers, and YouTube thumbnails. This saves an incredible amount of time while keeping everything visually consistent. Step 5. Quick Touch Edit. Now let's make a few quick edits. Simply click on any design and select Edit Text. From here you can change titles, fonts, colors, text, headlines, branding elements. You can even add new text or modify existing content without affecting the overall design. Once you're done, simply click Run and the AI updates the design instantly. Step 6. Video Generation. Now let's convert one of our marketing images into a commercial video. I'll click on the video section. Next, choose Select from Canvas and pick one of the images we created earlier. After selecting the image, choose your preferred aspect ratio. Then I'll use the Cdance 2.0 video model and click Generate. As you can see, the AI has started creating the video. After waiting a few moments, look at this. Our static marketing image has been transformed into a high-quality commercial advertisement with smooth animation and professional motion effects. Now you can see UGC style and commercial style ads is also ready. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, we've created a complete AI-powered branding workflow. From defining the brand identity to generating logos, fonts, a complete brand kit, multiple marketing assets, editing everything with AI. Now let's move on and take a quick look at some of the other features available inside Lovart. Now let's explore the Design Center. You can create inspiring posters, cinematic dinnerware concepts, jewelry collection designs, packaging designs, furniture concepts, and much more. Next, let's move over to the branding section. You can generate professional logos, create custom branding merchandise for your coffee shop or business, visualize your logo on caps and other products, generate realistic mock-ups for your designs, create brand storytelling, and explore many more branding assets, all within a few clicks. Now, if we switch to the e-commerce section, you can show your clothing on AI-generated models, generate new viewing angles for your apparel, create high-quality product photos, design social media-ready product images, and place your products in realistic, lifestyle scenes. Now let's briefly look at the pricing plans. Currently, Lovart is offering 50% off on its annual subscription plans. If we check the monthly plans, you'll find 4 options: Starter, Basic, Pro, and Ultimate. The annual plans are also available in the same tiers: Starter, Basic, Pro, and Ultimate. Compared to many other AI platforms available today, the annual pricing is extremely competitive and offers excellent value for creators and businesses. Content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tool. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.